Apple has just expanded its iPhone 16 lineup with the introduction of the iPhone 16e, a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance. Priced at $599, the iPhone 16e offers a blend of advanced features and affordability. The iPhone 16e boasts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Its durable design includes a ceramic shield front cover and aerospace-grade aluminum enclosure, ensuring resilience against everyday wear and tear. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 48-megapixel Fusion camera system, which offers high-resolution images and an integrated 2x telephoto lens for versatile shooting options. Whether capturing landscapes or close-ups, the iPhone 16e delivers impressive results. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, ensuring smooth performance for both everyday tasks and demanding applications. With storage options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, users have ample space for apps, photos, and more. One of the standout features is the integration of Apple Intelligence, Apple's personal AI system. This brings advanced functionalities like custom emoji creation, photo editing tools, and intelligent notification summaries, enhancing the user experience. In line with modern standards, the iPhone 16e features a USB-C port, replacing the traditional Lightning connector. This change aligns with Apple's move towards universal charging solutions across its devices. Battery life has seen a significant boost, with the iPhone 16e offering up to 26 hours of video playback, making it a reliable companion for daily use without frequent charging. Super Apple. The iPhone 16e combines cutting-edge technology with affordability, making it an excellent choice for those seeking premium features without the premium price tag. Pre-orders begin on February 21st, with availability starting February 28th. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tech news.